And today I watched a really fascinating and thought-provoking TED Talk video called 12-Year-Old App Developer, and it was delivered by Thomas Seyras. And now imagine this is a boy who is at just 12 old, and instead of only playing games, he has actually started making his own apps. That's exactly what Thomas Suarez did. He stood on the TEDx stage with full confidence and explained that how he became interested in technology and how he learned to code and how he learned to make apps and games and how he created apps that became popular in the world. Like thousands of people are using her games and her apps. So how? So one of the app he has developed is called Justin Jeeper, which was a fun and full with lighted game about the Justin Bieber. This shows how creativity and humor can also become a part of technology. But more than the app itself, what really impressed me was his mindset. At such a young age, Thomas didn't wait for the right age or for someone to give him permission. He just followed his curiosity, learned programming language like Python and Java, and started building apps that truly make sense and uh, that truly do something, that truly help something for anything. So in his talk, he also mentioned that how difficult it can be for young students to find resources to learn app development, web development. That there is no instrument, there are no resources to learn programming. There are no resources to learn these languages of computer from anywhere. So that's why he created our own club at his school where students would come together and share knowledge and support each others in learning how to build apps. And this idea shows that true leadership because he was not only focused on himself but also wanted to help others to grow. So the most powerful part of his TED Talk video for me was when he explained that adults often underestimate young people. They think kids can only use technology but not create it. Thomas proved that the age is not a barrier. If you are passionate, you are curious, and ready to put in the work, so you can achieve amazing things even at the 12-year age. So, what- sorry, what do I learn from this TED Talk was that the first lesson is that don't wait to start. Many times we think that we are no, we are too young, we are not too old to do something new. Thomas showed that if you start at small, stay consistent, so you can surprise the world. The second lesson is about sharing knowledge. He could he have kept his skills to himself, but instead he built a community to teach others, to help out others, to learn something new. So this is the real spirit of innovation and leadership. And the third lesson is use your creativity. Even a funny app can open the doors to learning and opportunities. And I also think that talk is a reminder for teachers and parents that sometimes instead of only focusing on exams and grades, they should support children in the exploring their passion. If a 12-year-old can become a developer, imagine that can happen if more young people are encouraged to follow their ideas. So, to wrap it now to Thomas Sierra's TED Talk, it's not just about the coding or apps, it's about the believing in yourself, breaking stereotypes, and proving that passion has no age limit. And I highly recommend you to watch this TED Talk video because it will change the way you see young innovators. And my final thought is simple that if Thomas can build app at the 12, so what was stopping us from starting today? So first of all, you have to watch this TEDx video, which is so inspiring, and it truly inspires me to learn something new, to do something new without worrying about the age limit, without worrying about that I'm too young. So you have to get started today. So if this TED Talk will inspire you, keep be follow me and be sure to like and subscribe and follow to for the more exciting and interesting and knowledgeable editorial reviews. So until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep consistent and keep do something new, as the Thomas Sears did. So you have to do again. So you have to do too. So until next time, Allah Hafiz, and in end, as always, Pakistan Zindabad. Take all of you. Allah Hafiz.